Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to add about number 1. Later that we need to minus about number 1. So this one that is about identities. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus number 1 is equal to secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have secant of t square. Secant of t square minus number 1, that is about tan t square, and later that we simplify by the square root. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. So I will put this one gone here. The s that is about this one. This one that is about tan t square. The square root of tan t square that is about tan t. So tan t and tan t, we have tan t square. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So secant of t multiplied by this one and number 1. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to secant of t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of t tan t dt. dv that is about secant of t square dt. The integration of this one, that is about v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt about tan t square, that is about this one. And now we need to expand this one. So negative and negative, we have positive. So we know that this one equals to this one. So I will put this one go to the left, go to the right. So this one we have number 2. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So we have this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So 1/2 minus number 1, you got about negative 1/2. So the integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one, and we got about t equal to our secant of s plus number 1. So secant with our secant, that is about s plus number 1. Similar for this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.